Are you wondering how to gather high-quality readers and secure sponsorships starting from 3,000 subscribers for your newsletter? By watching this 4-minute video until the end, you'll learn specific methods to gather more readers, convert them into high-quality subscribers, and earn 3 times more revenue with the same subscriber count. Newsletter business is a highly efficient model that allows you to build multiple revenue pipelines through sharing expert information about your industry or interests, gathering quality readers for paid subscriptions, selling products and services, paid newsletter recommendations, or receiving sponsorships with revenue sharing from product sales. However, email newsletters, being a one-way communication channel, makes it challenging to gather high-quality, engaged readers. You can convert regular readers into high-quality ones through quality information and email sequence workflow. There are just 3 key things to focus on to secure more readers and transform them into high-quality subscribers. First is the conversion rate. When you start publishing newsletters, repurpose your content across platforms like Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram to drive organic growth through free traffic. You need to direct those interested in your post to your landing page and create an optimized one to increase reader conversion from general exposure. To optimize your landing page, keep it simple and avoid asking for too much to lower psychological barriers. Since you're not asking for credit card information but only an email, it's fine to include just a headline, subheadline, and email collection form. Remove all other links except the privacy policy, as menus or about pages lower conversion rates. Write a concise 1-sentence headline with your newsletter name and topic, while the subheadline should briefly explain the value readers will receive. Adding your current reader count or newsletter writer's expertise can help establish social proof or authority. Second is the open rate. After converting readers through your optimized landing page, confirm their subscription through a thank you page. The period right after subscription until they read their first email is the golden time when readers are most engaged. Using a thank you page during this window to confirm their subscription creates a two-way communication feeling that improves engagement levels and naturally builds anticipation for upcoming emails. The thank you page should include a subscription confirmation headline, newsletter schedule information, and a call to action linking to your services, products, or previously published newsletters if you don't have anything to sell yet. Before moving on, this channel delivers quick and easy information for people starting or improving their newsletter business. For a faster path to newsletter success, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Third is the click-through rate. After driving subscriptions and confirmations through the landing and thank you pages, it's time to improve quality through better click-through rates. Provide new subscribers with a one-time welcome email through an email sequence. While the first 2 processes increased conversion and open rates to secure readers, this method transforms them into high-quality subscribers. Structure your welcome email like the thank you page. Include a brief welcome message, concisely explain how the newsletter will help and what to expect. Instruct them to move the email to their primary folder and request a reply. Offer something valuable for free to those who reply, such as a checklist, database, or template that provides real help. When you include your social media profile links or product service links used for organic growth, having subscribers click these links can help increase your newsletter email address's trust with Gmail and other email providers, reducing the chance of future emails being classified as promotions. With this approach, comparing newsletters A and B with the same subscriber count, higher open and click-through rates can create a revenue difference of over 300%, and landing page optimization will significantly impact future growth rates. In conclusion, work on securing more readers through landing pages, thank you pages, and welcome emails, then convert them into high-quality subscribers. If you're curious about the roadmap to earning $10,000 monthly with 3,000 subscribers, click on this video.